the owner remove the radiator and condenser, and this is because of the heavy mud on the engine and its cooling system, so it could clean very well. Here we remove the battery. As I used to say, it is very important to remove at least one battery terminal, but do not remove the terminal anyhow. Read the manual to know and how to remove the battery terminal, because removing the battery terminal of some cars may lead you to trouble. Welcome to DTO Exclusive Carwash. Today, we will be showing you how we freed this Toyota Camry of 2009-2010 engine bay from dirt, gunk, and heavy mud, and how we turned it into a semi-new engine. As I used to say, if you want to wash any engine bay, there are lots of electrical components that is important to be protected, as we will be showing you here. Here we covered air cleaner, intake, and alternator. After a proper inspection, we saw that only the alternator and air cleaner needed to be covered, and then we proceeded. Here, we applied chemicals. First, washing. The main reason why we are so interested in posting all these videos here is that washing the engine bay is not something easy. We are in the 21st century, and we are supposed not to pass through these hard processes again before getting good results. We challenge all creative engineers to produce machines that will do it better and faster. Therefore, if you have an idea, you can contact us to contribute to your idea if it is necessary. Then we washed it with sponge. Here we washed it again and again for the second time, till we got good results. Here we removed all the plastic bags, which we use to protect the engine, and we checked every possible place where we thought that the water might affect before we fixed back the radiator and condenser. Here we cleaned the alternator with a wet rag. Before. after. For more videos, follow us on Facebook at DTO Auto Cleaning or DTO Exclusive Carwash on Instagram, or DTO Exclusive 1 on TikTok, or subscribe to our YouTube channel at DTO Exclusive Carwash. Press the ring bell. Thank you.